Why? Active, you see me? Pull better.
One drink and it's done anyway.
Yes, my beautiful people of the world, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, Jamaica Lifestyle, Blacks TV. We're out here with the team people. Today, we are going to do some tilapia hunting people. We are look some breadfruit. Yeah man, we are look some breadfruit. Look at these two ripened breadfruit, roasting breadfruit. So, we can do some roast and some fried tilapia. So people just go and keep it locked. You see what I say? See it there? Good old yellow heart breadfruit, you know peeps. Yeah man. This we are roast with the tilapia today, and guess what happened? I show you a bush lad stay in a bush lad say 2 can't work, you know. A 3, you know. 1 breadfruit a man. So you know how you go, you see me? So we want to see if we can catch a good amount of fish we can eat with the breadfruit today. So people just go and keep it locked, man. Yard and abroad, big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah man. See it there? Out to see pretty people, because you don't know that channel ever showcase the beauty of Jamaica. You see what I say? Yeah man, the sun boiling at people. We come out here and I say, yo, we are going to do it for you. So, we want to catch the beauty. We don't look what going out there. Yeah man, sorry we couldn't catch it with buck some people up there in the bush. Yeah, some youth we know them look some crabby nice on that and them catch a good amount. We see people up there, so see them here, we don't know if fishing or nothing, but we are go up that direction, people. We're going to the east. I wish we are east.
That way there.
That way there.
We're west there. So. And
yeah, so
east now, yeah. So people, we are going east. You see me? So keep it locked. Funny journey.
Shit. You
sell the fish them? Yeah. Man. Yeah man. Yeah, we are going.
the general,
Alright people. Disgrace, you know man. Look at my good friend, look there. Then our arm grown. And Dr. Fish. Why that doctor you lovely, look there. Ravel man, a joke people see that.
Great Black Steed, Eat Lifestyle TV, eh?
Man, we finally get it done on the channel, you know. Long time I want to book him, you know. Them hide, you know. But we are catching man, we are going on a video with him, you know.
yeah. We don't even see him face to that, you know, because his son, because turn away and make it even there see you, man.
Yeah, big up Black Lifestyle TV, you know. Up and running.
How you do it, lad? Where the jar down underwater?
Hey, think of water.
Oh.
Right in the pan now, up down and down like a pan.
No, not so far, right a chunk. But we'll too long.
Years, you know, blood. You like
Yo my Uncle Nervel, you know man. Give with them man so we can take them and so even if we don't catch nothing, we still good. You see it peeps? Yeah man. Yeah man, see it there? What doctor in the paper? Cheers! Thank you sir.
Yeah man.
Thank you sir.
Respect, you know?
Yeah man.
Rest for that.
Yeah man, big up yourself, boss. You let go already, you know.
Get a sponsor on the channel. So we are walk with them people, no joke. Alright, stay tuned. We are look some mermen now. You see me? So where we are going to go?
Yeah man, let me this. You go right over here, so start the process. You need some worm, you know what I mean?
Alright, yeah. You are working in a soccer. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You are roast breadfruit and fry fish today.
Yeah.
You can't find where there's a bush there. Soft, dirty one, brother. No, dirty one with brother.
Worm, you can't find worm this.
Bush lad, come in, man.
You can't find worm this.
I'll find and show them.
Alright.
Competition start, you know.
Alright, Bushman. You say I find one. More want to see that. I don't want no wiggle worm, I can't touch them there. No.
Yeah, we'll find
You know which one name wiggle?
I didn't read the
The
one.
one that move like snake.
Call on them.
Some fat one that move like snake. Bushyard, you can't find one.
People, no, do they? We in that process, you know what I mean?
Admit it.
Yeah,
What
we
is
in
that?
that comment.
What
You
is that?
understand?
That
Yeah.
process there.
Yeah,
We
we in that process,
there.
man. Yeah, like seriously.
Yo!
Nothing try, nothing done.
Come here, man. You have to go where swampy, brother, where the mud kind of sharp. Man, so you said me for dig or you for dig bush?
Yeah, people, you know.
Alright, cut your buckle and set you up for you. Yeah, you know, the big. And we know we must catch worm. And we don't want to hold it for worm, you know, cause we don't want to hold it for bait. Remember, we have one
two.
grunt out there, so.
And
a doctor.
And doctor.
Yeah. So. We must find worm now. So, we start.
Worm, yeah, here's the last one. I got bingo, yeah. No. Bingo,
So you have to bingo, yes, sir.
yeah. You don't even catch even one with bingo. Yes, sir.
Fishing line, this, no? No open the panic or two alone, you have. No, sir. Yes, sir, be a son, man. Be a son. Worm no like sun. Mud then like. What's that about me so high? Be a sun, man.
And this.
Worm like mud, man.
You know, it's down here, sir.
The sun mixed with the mud, so. It's not gonna go find some mud, people.
Test down here, sir.
Okay.
Test.
This here, sir?
That's a little soft.
Find top there. Yo. It's on top of the style. Hot, you know. You don't find nothing. Nothing on.
Oh, yeah, no. Right there, top right there.
No, let's see up on top of the style, you know, because you're hot. You have them big spot of dirt and you not see no worm. Something wrong, man. Stay up on top. Yo, if it's there to find some worm, people, if we can get some fish. Jaja know. Oh, there's a look. No dirt, no there, sir. Bombastic! You shouldn't left over this one there. Yeah man. Beautiful people, you know what the problem now? See through the drought upon Jamaica from where you know bag of rain now fall. No rain now fall at least. Like 2 minutes worth of rain, and as you see them place here, I want to see what I go on. Normally the swamp, you know. So you don't look on pure water. You get me and say, but you see through the drought, the water gone down. It suck right down, so the worm them, but we use as bait, them gone down, way down under the ground. You understand me and say people? So them live above the water. So you see, more the water go down, then go down. So we don't know say it rough. If we have like a fork or we pick up we use the game, we don't know say yo. It's easier because we could have go way down, but right now we are hunt. Bush lad over there so I search. You see me? Yeah man. I tell you from where they toss them no easy brother, I toss them rough. It toss them rough people, I'm not telling a lie, like the drought make the toss them rough, but we are going to try because right now is a good time to go fishing because you see through the water jar, that means that the fish them they down in the water.
Oh, bingo.
Then
Bingo.
you find something? What? Bush lad! Holistic. Holistic, that means what? What?
Sure people them
Yo, sure
walk
people
on.
them walk on bush lad.
Bingo, you say no
That can't
people
get
say
10
don't know
fish, you
say. We still have a try see what
Yeah,
go and
man,
see, but
hold
we
this.
bingo you say and give thanks. You know what I mean? Yeah. Starting that.
This can't dig only for her more than a cutlass. Bush lad strike, you know man. Him find the bait. So here we go on my people, so put piece of mud in there, yeah. So keep him alive because you don't know. Once him alive and him dip on the hook and him move, you know the fish them there, you know. Them come for it, you get me? So we find one, if we find 3 more my peeps. Bonus.
Bingo.
You bingo again?
Bingo.
What you said to me? Bush lad.
Yeah, my people now see what I go on again.
Yeah man.
Yeah, success I go on there so. Thanks.
Yeah man. See it there? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah man. Manix Roberts the TV, big up yourself. You see what I say? Run wildlife, big up yourself. You don't know it go, you see it? Yeah man. Whole heap of blessing, whole heap of love man. Just continue putting in the work, you know? Yeah man, big up every YouTuber. In cut. That I think with the cutlass.
But you know you're so tough one way.
Yeah man. That no matter still. Only if I see through the water there so now, so them have to stay above the water, you know. You see me? Ah!
People. One of fat. One of fat the pigs. When the man eat us so chilly. Big and fat.
Water man, you see through the tree.
One
You
of
see.
thick and fat. Yeah man.
Yeah man, through his tree root there so. You see me see it there now upon the people. Yeah man, we are fine bait now, you know. And can't tell you nothing again.
Just,
Yeah man.
everything we are doing, production. Yeah.
Look at this and that. 2 different worms.
You know what I mean?
This name wiggle waggle. Me not like them.
Yes.
Then come like snake. Put him down the ground and touch him and see. If he not get damage. Put him down the ground. You see it? Look, you see it?
Yeah.
Wiggle waggle. You see him move like snake.
Yes.
Look at this one now.
So I don't know we go.
Yeah man, look
different,
there.
yeah.
Different. If you touch him, he can't. You know want that, brother. Yeah, wiggle waggle that. Yeah man, them are the real bait. Yeah. Bingo. Yeah man, we just want a few more and then we go on the road now people because we not spend the whole day.
I look over, you know what I mean?
See something there? Peace. Bush lad man!
You know what that man from anything we
Look for him body because I hate that you know.
got that feel nice.
You find something? Bomba!
People now see what
Worm like a rice grain. You see them wet place are them wet place are them there you know.
people look good.
Look there.
So I go on man, one of them fat. People are more one of them. Love the wet place. thick, huh?
Yes,
No.
bush lad.
Couldn't reach down to a bed shot.
So one more there.
Run dry and I say, man, long here, man. Long like. No.
Yeah, my people. We get the bait. So right now, to the fishing, you know. Yeah, man. What you say to them bush lad? Cause you find them,
Yeah,
you know?
real thing, people. You know, say anything we are do, you gotta feed that thing. So, you know, we bingo. So, give thanks. And do the fish now, you know, say, a positivity and bingo streak. I'm on.
Bush lad, forward there, sir. Murder!
Right,
Yo, explore!
she's right, for real.
Reach at the river where we are come through a line, you know, but as you see, there's some bush up, so we are gonna go inside more and see if we can find somewhere, you know, we can wheel with line. And then again, 2 hook alone me carrying us, so we have to try to catch something before them the bus off. Because in case something in the water, it's stuck on and bus off, so we don't know where it go. So keep it locked, man. We are gonna go inside and find an open spot. Yeah, man, I remember, you know, crocodile there. So we have to be careful.
Yeah, people, as I can see, we reach a river now. About to start the process, yeah. Bring some Julie manga and some bulla for catch up a stomach within the meanwhile before we catch things. So, you know, can't hungry. We have a belly have a full for anything we do. So, that's all that.
Yeah, man, you can't catch fish for hungry belly. Pass a bulla there.
Alright, bulla and mango.
Ginger bulla too, you know, peeps. I don't want to pull up my belly, you know, because we have to catch fish, so. When we catch the fish, I don't want my belly too full. So I just want Julie mango. You see that, people? Yellow and nice. Yeah, man. See it there? Julie mango and bulla cake.
You see the mixture, people?
Thank you, man. Yeah. Good old Julie and bulla cake. Yeah, man.
See quality head, people, and mixture bad, you know. First, when I hear about them mixture and see them mixture, you know, sure. Yeah, I have to try one of them there still, definitely. Yeah. Sweet and wicked and nice.
See some bubbles out there, so we are going to look at my crocodile still. Look, the two trust them bubbles thing there in the field. So, you see me? See we line here, 2 hook the pony. You see what I say? So, when we are boy, you know, my people, we are come at them place here, you know, man. And Shelly down, you know, man. We how much a pound of perch, you know. Sell for go to school, you know. Catch for eat, same way. Give people along the way, you see me? Yeah, man. So, bait up the hook here now. Yeah, man, show how it is done. Would you mind as you drop the line, you know?
Bingo.
Bingo. You know what I mean? So, this hook kind of big, you know, so we put a lot of worm on the hook because sometimes them face to them see the hook and them now want bite the line because they see the hook, them know a danger. Yeah, man, so see it there? But the trick is, you left that piece here to swing because the point of the hook there here, so you saw them are going to bite because of the point, they see them move. You get me I say? Yeah, man, so bait up the next hook. That's a bush lad, how much fish you want?
I'll catch on half dozen.
Half dozen? Yeah. Alright. We start count. Half dozen man say, you know. Alright, so see it there now. Out there. Bush lad. What?
Success.
Yes, my people. First one, you know. Yeah, man. Where is string there? Yeah, string come, I put him on the string and I make him get to it. Yeah, man, people, I want to see him, you know, my beautiful peeps, you know. Yeah, man. Frying size done. First one, man. Out here, man. You get me? And we know we get 2 fish from early out, so. Yeah, man, you can't hold him on in a job. Man, look man, look at the fish in the crest pot. Hey, bush lad the pot. You see, say they hardly a pick.
You could have a whip, come on, you can't get it. See it? Yeah. See, say, you don't come for nothing at all.
Peeps, a 3 fish in and how much are they out there? 3 away. So you know that go already. Yeah. Blacks are going good, you know. We get 2 early and blacks just catch 1. So him at it again, watch him go throw out the line here again. So just stay tuned and watch him throw out the line here. You know it go already, my peeps.
Catch him with John. Miss him, my peeps. We miss him. Miss him, but hold him here now. Hold him here now. Yes, world. You see that? Still a nice size. I string them. I give in a hand, you know.
You got this string.
He's a body, let him go.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, string my world. So I go on. Great tilapia. See them here? Yeah, man, this is how we get from Purble, Uncle Nerval, or
naturally.
just pick you up. Pick you up in a people, something, just pick you up. Yeah, man, I'm a player, you know? I'm a player around. I'm a player. Guess what happened? At some point in life, you have to get serious, you know? If you're a ramp, you must get knocked, you know? Man. I bite like him belly full. You see it if you look on it, impression on the line.
Yeah,
see it there?
Yeah.
See it there?
My
See
ramp
it?
with it.
See it? My ramp.
Bite.
My ramp.
You right thing.
Wow! Miss him. Eat off a whole of my bait. Watch that. Eat off a whole of bait, people. See that? For real bait him up, you know. Yeah, man. Go back for him, you know. And what that laugh off away, you know. Eat that, them that. Yeah, man. So. Real bait up.
Don't get all this.
See that? Yeah, man, you see them river here, my peeps. Nice, we come through, we don't have the right line and everything. I don't know if they might pick it up there so still, but not beat a trial. See that, my peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice, you know, man. Sweet!
Wow,
yeah.
That's in a peeps. See, right size them.
Man, something. Pick it before you will bite before, but you know? That is about tilapia, you know, you have to time them on them run, you know. Like now, you know. You come in, man. I want to feel kind of bigger than the rest of them peeps.
What?
You know? Yeah, man.
Precise.
So this, one of the young African them, perch them, you know? Yeah, man. See him look? Young African, you know? Yeah, man. take him up, you know.
Pick up over there side of the spot. Chilling spot.
Happy.
Hold him. Come on, hold him. Fish on. Yeah, man. String.
Chill spot, you know, people. Yeah.
Yeah, man, after all, like, we are going to have a good meal. When the dust come, me da do it, you know.
Ah, do it.
Road might roughy, but
Faith and God it.
anything you do, you have God in it.
String,
Do.
man. Jesus Christ!
Believe in yourself, man.
Oh my
so you
God.
can do it, my friend. That's what you said. Can do it.
No, man.
How much will you tell you?
People. Yard and abroad, we have to come go now official good cooking video up here, so. I not like. I like the vibes. We don't say we just come out so we have to come go now a quick video, but boy, we have to come go now official cooking video. Yeah, man.
How much will you tell you?
So we are catch?
Yeah.
How much?
I believe. I guess
6 you said?
and we're gone.
5?
Obvious. So that means somebody believe in us, so it's a go happen then. God laugh. Should me tell him so him laugh, should me tell him say yeah. We gone 5 and me tell him 6, so we believe in anything and know say yes, it's a go happen, because faith and God have faith.
Come be there, man.
Whoa! Whoa! Chill spot a go.
Why? Look there.
Oh, so I'm gone for
Yeah, man.
6 them I say.
Yes, man.
God, I'm a quarter dozen, half dozen, I say.
People don't understand you go on, you know. But we there in the bush, me already tell you no.
there?
That of a bush lad. But we there on the water with the cooking and thing, that of a blacks. And from here have a camera, you know what go on. Nah, miss, nothing. One Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV. Yard and abroad.
How much you use catches? How much fish you use a bait to catch? Alright, see, I see him bait, you know. We are sending you out. Don't cut the camera. We are see how skill we be. Alright? Oh,
Yard and abroad.
Yeah, man.
The one you have phone.
remember, you know, see him bait catch about 3 fish, you know. Yeah, man. And we send him back out there. So, just await the result. We now cut the camera, we just make you see what goes straight. Yeah, man. If nothing bite it. Oh, then near me off. See there? Send it back out there, see him bait, you know. Now joke about it, you know. See him bait, I go out there back. Can't go out there, light. Let's see if we did bring the final line them. That are the river line where we use catch tilapia. This is one sea line because it's a 30-pound line, so you know it's kind of difficult. And we don't use no like no sinker, nothing heavy to throw it out. You get what I say, so it's kind of difficult for younger. But we are gonna make about 4 to 5 more throw. Then we head out. Go look about where we are gonna look about and thing, you know. Yeah, man, the sun hot out here. We have water, but differently. This is sun, you know, normal for stand up, you know. If you look out there, so, yeah, man. No. Take you back, you know. Come back. Ah, you know,
You the pan, you know.
what is this? A bongo bee, you know, my people. We not dash him away, string there.
You know we love bongo bee already, you know.
Bongo bee is sweet. Alright. You're going to look up education about the local fisher. Them no grow. Them here, them no grow much big, you know. We call them here bongo bee. We have to go search for the right name for them, but in a Jamaica, bongo bee. You know anything named bongo bee, fool. You see me? So, them are some fish and we all the right here so and pick up your line, you know. Them here now do that. You get what I say, so. Bongo bee, but when I tell you so, in a fry them here, sweet! Yeah, man. So, go out the back a few more times as I said before. You know?
Why not easy, man? Follow the line, Alice.
This feels nice. Tell us something off the dead, you know. Tilapia again, you know. Yeah, man. See it.
And then trouble, and then go by it and run, you have to get one. And you can't come off when you come out of the water.
I will drop off, man. Turn this and drop off.
So you call for him. Hard for you escape.
Right.
The people now see what I'm
Got
going to
4
string
more
them.
to go now,
Progressive man, it's one of string people. Nice like you eat a fish, you know. Never come out here nothing, you know, but you see what I go and do. See, and you step on and lazy positive things can happen, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a good look.
Miss.
Yeah, in the funny man.
Bongo be.
Perch.
Way! Who do that one?
Take him off with Panama.
Remember say, bush lad no played food, you know. So,
Where's the bush lad?
Yeah man, put him Panama.
Put him on it, no dash him back.
Yes, sir. You have 10 smaddy and you catch one, look like that. And a 10 on you still smaddy, still get. Yeah.
Peeps. I think we are going to end the fishing here now and go out there, so we'll find a spot to do a little cooking, you know. Yeah, man. Remain that bait them kind of burn out in the sun.
so we're going to feed the fish with them.
And burn out, so now make them go to waste. The man have a good, probably one of them birthday today, so get a present, you know. So we are going to head for land, show the people them the catch. You get what I say, and we're not out here an hour. And we don't have the right fishing line and fishing hook, you know.
See,
Come on,
peeps.
so. Head to land you now and sort out, because right now I'm out here some water as well, you know. Not this water, we bring water for drink, so nobody feels, you know. Yeah man, the water hot, you know. Yeah man. But definitely we are coming here, so come go on a proper cooking video. Promise, you know? So, head for land. Yeah man. Buck up on another YouTuber out there, you know. Great bean spread. Can't find him on YouTube, you know, man. So one jack. Yeah man, no beautiful people. Yeah man. See him there? Water bad. Yeah, see that. Yeah man. Water beautiful today, no man. But come like the water bad because if a fisherman come out and complain. Yeah man. Every fisherman a complain. Here where man say look. Man say that look clean.
Yeah man, no, I'm shot big at you and that, but start with this Thompson, you know. See the kids stuff. Get down nothing.
Look, you never seen a barrel roll out today.
Oh, that's alone a mash up? Even the shit. I thought it's still on.
Remember say Lavelle go out there and a 2 in come with and he give you 2 of them, you know.
Yeah, peeps, as you can see now, catch a fish them now and come back now, go scale them and put the process together. You know, so just go and stay tuned until we see it all back. We will start scaling.
Yeah, catch the fire, you know. Stick a look wet, but
Like a bun, man, then stick the bun now.
fire blaze. Ready, fire ready. Knocks you over the saw scaly fish, you know what I mean? You don't say, man, the largest fish. Eh? So my oldest one say, man,
The largest fish. See, I eat fish and you want 4 and fish here 2.
Go on, man. Papa them man and them 6 bread, you know.
And I ask him more. Dog eat 6 bread, the dog say you want more.
6 bread.
Yeah, nigga. I think them now when they are making bread too. One that don't know, sir. So as you see, we are roasting breadfruit them up there some people, and it was supposed to be done by Bush Lord, but him get an emergency call, so you know him have to move, so me take over and I look some leaf and some leaf where I can like put the fish them on when before I fry them, you know, because we not really bring no plate or nothing, so you know we have to season up with fish them on something, so them here are some noon here, aka Duffy sour top. I understand, so get a few of them leaf here for put the fish them on, you understand, so see it there, so catch me up there, so them man catch me up at top, get the hand wash up, you know, yeah man, no, we have limited water, but yet still wash the hand them, come around here now. So, we have them fish. Yeah man, see it there? Yeah man, tilapia then a peeps. One bungobi. See them there? Yes man, so I go on. This is our frying pot, you know. Frying pot, well ready and basil. The pot is not too heavy to go find this better. But the heavy is better. Yeah man. Yes. Yard and a broad, see it there? Thing we are used to the fry with fish them. See it there, we have a cooking oil, we have a salt, you know. And the thing we are used to there, some salt we just use put on with fish them. You know? Fry them up, you know. Yeah man. See it there? Doctor, good old Doctor Fish. I need this one. People don't know me not ramp with Doctor Fish. Yeah. See, you know, just add salt to them, you know, peeps. Only salt, you know. And when I say we are season the thing, when I season the thing, see salt, we season it for just the right flavor. Yeah, man. This is our grunt. Yeah, man, and then season up with tilapia, them, you know. The salt. Add salt to them. Don't know. As I said, you don't go season a salt in a man. Naturally.
And I most you season that in the world, no? Salt.
Naturally, my peeps. Naturally. So, let's throw some on the outside of them now, my peeps. Alright, so that is it now. Yeah man, the people, so we are adding the fish them now, huh? Well feel bossy. Yeah man, the people see there. Yeah man. It's a fry, you know. The man just go and keep it locked to the channel, man, see it there. Jesus Almighty. But we are not the first turn for the fish then. Come on. Yeah, then a broad with that. Look good down. You know, boy. Yeah, put it there. Pot kind of lean, so I lean it so the oil can go over there so everything can get a fry, you know? Yeah, man. Balance the pot. I know it don't need balance, but we need it to balance, you know? Alright. People, flame kind of low so we not rush nothing, you know? Yeah, man. Fish them to fry properly, you know? The doctor fish. So we can take out, you know, we eat hot over the pot, you know, man. And we say hot, real hot. Yeah, man. So that one here as well. Wow. It's hot, man, well high. See it there? Yeah. That one here as well. Let that one here get the come on. Wow. It's hot, my people. So the money are done first. Wow. I'll never get a longer stick, my people, boy. Yeah, man. See it there? After fish very white, well crispy. Yeah, man. So, then here soon done fry now in a pool. That. Then you know what you are doing. Then you burn in the car, the fire well high. And see that pot is extra thick, you know. So, this is the last turn to them. They will take them out, you know. So, we are going to take a... With our seat. Fly then come down, you know where go. But we manage to peel a one bed fruit, you see me? We fish them over here so done fry. Yeah, man, see it there, naturally. Yeah. So bush lad. I tell you have to have fun flying my peeps. Yeah, man. Enough like whoa. The bush lad set you up like you go on the road, you know, man. You know? And you want more breadfruit, you peel breadfruit. You see me? Yeah, man. I think I want the doctor fish, you know. So me, I'm good, you know. You see me? I think I want the doctor fish. So, naturally, you know. Out in a while, we have fun fly, you know.
Chris for that.
Yeah, man.
You feel good.
See Chris Power and our peeps. Yeah, man. So the only thing I want to grunt on one. The only thing I say I want to do what? Doctor
cover that
fish.
with the one eye
Yeah, man.
story lamb. Yeah.
You
Just
see,
like
yeah,
that.
cover it.
Yeah, man, peeps. So as I say, sorry about the disturbance with the video because we have to have fun because you know, so we're out in the open and, you know, fly them come down. You see me? Yeah, man. See perch, I want half a papa two perch, you know. So, there. People just go and keep it locked, man. I see what I go on for the doctor. Well crispy. Breadfruit, you know?
That is it.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Well crispy, man. Yeah. Well crispy, well fried. Yeah.
Yeah, so bush lad.
Yeah, peeps, boy, man, I tell you, them spread nice, fried crispy, well crispy, see that? Yeah, fried crispy.
Papa, no.
Very good.
Yard and abroad. My creation go already. Top class setting, see it? Peep. I wanna fry good, me I tell you.
Crispy. Crispy.
Yes sir, no beg none. How about enough to beg none? Alright. Crispy. Papa says if Papa did the breadfruit.
Yeah, man, Papa peel for him breadfruit.
Yeah, man. One up, you see it?
Top class setting people.
Yeah, man. 5 star, 5 star. You see me?
And I want to survival video people.
Yeah, man.
Survive, we have to survive out there.
Original breadfruit, roast and fry. But there's not gonna be a frying moment, you know. Roast and eat.
Yeah, man.
No joke.
People, we not go on by the local time we go to see, you know.
Yeah, man.
See it, no?
Very good look.
Bush lad.
Yeah, people, them are Chris Suttle, all the head of them can eat with them fry Chris. Man, I want to check it out one at a time.
Finger licking good.
Yes.
Finger licking good peeps. Yeah, that's yeah.
This boss has a body of
Yeah, man. Active, you see me? Couldn't be better. Season to the bone.
Bush lad, that's a two of them fry good hard head can eat.
Two of them fry good people. I tell you, all the head of it can't call them well crispy, you know, man.
Yes, sir, over that.
If you fly them one, leave me alone.
That is it, people. Tune in. We soon talk to you, because food I feed. They ever interrupt my food moments, you know. They know me love food already.
Yeah, my people, yeah. See some nice jelly, you know, we have to get down through, wash off the heart, you know what I mean? Real natural things, so we have to make the process happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tune in and watch that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just want to drink jelly. Enjoy life, you know? To the fullest.
Yeah, what jelly, man?
Any amount I can get, man.
I'm pressed for much you want. Well, now I pick none for you. I drink my jelly today.
What's that your job already, Bush lad?
I'll pick one more. 5. 5.
So you want to drink?
That's how much. Yeah. Hold on, Sonny. I think Chris alone, we drink off 6 jelly. So we still not pick no jelly. I have chili away, so no jelly not pick. Yeah.
That's how you want space to work.
Yeah. People let me see the clearance, I think, you know what I mean? Yeah, what is so 2 jelly wash off that, you know? Like chili film, don't mess up, you know, so. Yeah, jelly can't wash off in that. My shit not so good people, so you see the thing.
Wow, let me get the first one. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, man.
Rest back. What the next one? So, you know. I make chili drink for Sunday. Get the camera. If you see one drink and it's too ahead and you be thirsty.
Ringy man.
Fresh. I fresh is jelly me drinking like.
From me see them Japan box.
Seaside jelly me say, you know, we go. Nah, go fresh.
Then you should have
Nah, go
salt.
sweet.
People, you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
You like Wally enough, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, my beautiful people. It was a beautiful day out with the team. You don't know. Lot of fun, lot of enjoyment. We catch a few fish and remember we promised an official video at that river. Yeah, man, we are going to really go hunt some tilapia. I want some big, so you know. What you say about that bush, lad?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, man.
See what you say, go my peeps. Yeah. Day wasn't bad, day was a great day. Big up to all the people who turn out and big up to everybody and we out.
Keep the channel locked, my people. Subscribe, like, comment. You leave a comment, make you know. You tell you how you think about the channel. Leave a comment, my people. Want to know how you mind there. Leave a comment.
So yard and abroad, just go and bless up on yourself, you know. Heart of love for everybody, you see it. Just know so we're there out here entertaining the people. So until next time, big up on yourself, heart of love.